without confirming or denying that if Ahmad comes to power in Iran, it will be devastating. Not just for us, but for each one of our agents currently deployed in that region. He'll argue for the entire Middle East to abrogate our alliances and form separate peace treaties with our sworn enemies. I don't think I have to tell you that I do the course of the war now, do I?
You can't justify that by manipulating.
Manipulating? Let's make a deal here, Jessica. I spare you the ends justify the means speech, and you spare me the we must do what's right speech. You and I are not going to agree on this subject, so I suggest we simply stop discussing it. This mission is purely a reconnaissance mission, and I will have you do nothing other than that. Now, I suggest you get some rest. I need you to owe $500 in the morning. Dismissed.